Are you looking for a new bank, a neobank, a financial platform? And have you heard of Vivid and wondered, is this a German bank? The name is everywhere in Germany, but the answer is more complex than a simple yes or no. Stick around, because we're going to untangle the web of corporate entities that make up Vivid and reveal what it truly means for you as a customer. Vivid Money is a fintech company founded in Berlin, and their headquarters are located right there in the heart of Germany. So that's a big point in the yes, it's German column. They're a homegrown startup, born from the minds of former top managers at a major Russian digital bank. They've raised significant funding and built a reputation as a challenger to established banks and other neobanks in the European market. Their focus, particularly in recent years, has shifted to serving small and medium-sized businesses and freelancers, showing their commitment to the German and European business landscape. However, calling them a German bank in the traditional sense isn't quite right. And this is where things get interesting. A traditional bank holds a full banking license, which gives it the authority to take deposits, grant loans, and perform other regulated financial activities. Vivid doesn't have its own full banking license. Instead, they operate on a partnership model. For a long time, Vivid partnered with Solaris Bank, a regulated German bank, to provide the underlying banking infrastructure. This meant that while you were using the slick Vivid app in their services, your money was actually held and protected by Solaris Bank under the German Deposit Guarantee Scheme. This scheme ensures your deposits are protected up to 100,000 euros, just as they would be at any other German bank. But the story doesn't end there. Vivid has evolved its corporate structure. Today, Vivid services are provided by several different legal entities. Vivid Money SA is an electronic money institution, authorized and regulated in Luxembourg. This entity provides the payment accounts and services, including the cards and direct debits. Then there's Vivid Money BV, an investment firm licensed by the Dutch Authority for the Financial Markets. This is the entity that handles all the investment and crypto services you find in the app. And finally, there's Vivid Money GmbH, the German-based company that handles the app itself and the popular cashback program. So, when you ask, is Vivid a German bank, you're really asking about a multi-layered, pan-European fintech platform. They are a German company at their core, with their headquarters in Berlin and a strong focus on the German market. But they've built a structure that leverages licenses and regulations from across Europe to provide a broader range of services. Your banking account services are through a Luxembourg-regulated entity, your investments are handled by a Dutch-regulated entity, and the app and perks are managed by the German-based company. This complex setup isn't uncommon for modern fintechs, as it allows them to be agile and expand quickly across different markets while staying compliant with local regulations. For you, the user, the key takeaway is that while Vivid may not hold a German banking license itself, your funds are protected by the German Deposit Guarantee Scheme through their partnerships. So you get the security and protection of a German bank, but with the innovative features and user experience of a modern fintech. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.